dibene njani nayo and wena uzazi njani that look I'm good kule nto uzibone njani into ekubangela uba ube kanti uhamba kweli khondo on this side of imibongo?
Okay, ngicela uqala ngokuyicacisa kuqala. Into engayisho umbongo ngicabanga ukuthi uhlukene nezinye izikili. Umbongo ngesinye ngicabanga ukuthi awuyona italent but ubizo.
Calling, yeah, sure.
So mina bengade ngibhala inkondlo ndizibhale ndizifihle nje ndizibeke lapha ngingazayi. Then kuzoqhamuka lo mntwana osekhaya omncane esikoleni sihamba kenze ipoem bayo computer.
All right.
Okay, ngimbhalele ipoem ahamba wa computer umntwana ubuye ne-certificate esimbili.
Wow.
Okay, shuthi khona into ekhona. Ngahlala ke ngangenzi lutho about that. But walekho eqhubeka lo mntwana certificate ziyanda so6 so8. Then abantu mebebheka mfethu we can do something about this. Then I came la ngizofunda apha eLovedale. Mangifika la eLovedale ngalokho ngibhala but ngingenzi into. Wayesethi uRu Tsangani.
All right, shout out to him. Shout out to Uru.
Yeah. Error enkulu kakhulu ngaba ngikho namhlanje la. So Uru wayesethi into lebhala mfethu ngithi mina inkondlo uthena bese awungizwisi. Abe engividorize then afake kwilokhuzo status and umuntu was like wow wena ngokuhlezo sihlanyela so wazi ukuthi nje then I got encouraged ngaqala encourage nami ukuthi okay wow I can do this. That's how ngizibone ngakhona ukuthi okay it's fine I can do lento. Then ngaba imbongi yabantu since ngijabulisa abantu.
Oh yes, wow. Yeah, abantu babajabule. Yazi enye into engaphumiyo kum oyithethileyo ngoku umcimbi weba umbongo, lubizo, I hope ke nabanye abantu bayivila loo nto because nowadays kunganembongi umuntu athi uquitile, athi I quit and you're like phofu mna ndiyeneka understand but what do you mean you quit, ngathi it's like ngathi i-job, it's like something ngathi ku-PJ xa sithi uquit Effort FM I quit ahamba yokwenza enye into, so yeah. Otherwise ndafuna ke ngoku ukuqonda ngalombongo lo busandowenza ngoku and what besides into ye-goosebumps nentoni why into endiye ndayinotice endiqapheleyo is that ucoverishe izinto ezenzekayo apha ebomini generally and it was more I don't know, it was like ukubona xa uzawukho imovie mhlawumbe kuzawubonisa imovie mhlawumbe kucinema or wherever as a trailer futhi bazi-parts ngeparts that's what I had like endivileyo and you manage uba okay unikeze umfanekiso ngqondweni. I had a picture of yonke le ndithetha ngayo so ndifuna ukuqonda ke ukuba ingaba mhlawumbi ke i-inspiration ingaba isuka phi for lo mibongo yakho okanye masithethe ngalo specifically lo and yintoni into eyona nto obufuna ube kanti ke uyayi-addressa ngalo umbongo?
Okay, okokuqala masokhuluma nge-inspiration kulento engicela ngicacise kahle if uyimbongi njengoba usho it's a calling. Uma uyimbongi zahlukene kwimbongi kele zenza amahlazi enithathene kube mnandi kube khona lezi lengizama ukuba yiyo ngiphilisa abantu mhlawumbe ngibaguqule ngibashintshe. Umuntu oyimbongi mhlawumbe lengi uyafana nokuthi wenza umsebenzi kaThixo, uyafana nomfundisi. Umahluko ukuthi thina sibathola ngendawo lesikwazi ukubafumana kuyo ekakhulukazi i-youth because i-youth ayifuni ke ecaweni so ke masibafumane ngapha. That's why ngihlezi ngine-inspiration is okay I can do this ngibashintshe abantu. Ngalo umbongo engiqeda kwenza uthi noma umhlaba usungagoqa ibhubhe vele abasha.
Yeah,
it because izinto ezenzakayo sezingaphezulu kwamandla so angizokuxelela ngombongo ngithi mina yeke into ukuthi ngizakuxelela izinto ezenzekayo then wena uzibonele ngokwakho ngoba umdala ukuthi lento enyenza ayilunganga. So iyona into engizama ukuyisho le ukuthi kwenzeka lokhu nalokhu so make sizamele ukuthi sishintsheni. Life is too short bangwethu.
Yeah,
life is too short. So if usane isikhathi sokudlala wena hayi kosakudala
iyavakala kakhulu kwaye hey ufundisekile bra ufundisekile kuba ke nyani kulamaxesha ke apho ufuniseka kuba ulutsha lo noko luthanda uphathwa umcimbi, you know, into zokukhomitha i-suicide kanje yonke la nemicimbi ye-depression. Yeah, and nyani ke you can only address the situation. You can't force someone to do something. So iyavakala. Yeah, Tukhwana. Hey, talking yazi lento kuyithetha nge-types zembongi, you know. Ikhona enye type oyilibeleyo yesithathu. Yeah, ikhona nembongi yabumini. Yeah, yazi yabumini. Yeah, yabumini ke le izawuthi xa ibonga ibuze iphi nale mic. Yeah, sike saxakana nelimbongi. Sike saxakana nelimbongi. Thina sazimbongi xa ibonga. I-mic kuleqwa yona nge-mic. Like kubalekwa emva kwa iyaqhuba yona imbongi. Then i-mic iziswe later on, you know, because vese idanduluke, you know, ingakumbi yomthonyama, you know, and all that stuff. Hayi leya imbongi apha esport yasuke yathi iphi nale mic. Yeah, ifuna i-mic imbongi yabumini ke leyo. Yeah, isithathu ke le type. Yeah, le ingafundisekanga ke le type. All right. Now okay, behave PJ. Hi PJ. All right, I'm good. Okay, now ndafuna ke ngoku ke, you know, sithi nje wrap up ngenxa yexesha lo mcimbi lo, kodwa ke sizofuneka siye evenkileni first, then sibuye sikwazi uyiqukumbela yonke. But ndiyafuna nje ukwazi uba i-plans zakho, you know, for the future ingaba esisakhona unaso, and unaso is powerful, I have to say. Ingaba mhlawumbi uplana uba usithathaphi from now, maybe 5 years to come, uplana ukwenza ntoni ngale mibongo yakho?